Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing app to your Fire Stick which you can use to watch movies and TV shows online and totally for free. And there are thousands of movies in this application, probably even more than on Netflix. Here I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact movies available in this app. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get this app to your device. First of all, you need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can actually get it totally for free from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device, and then here in the search bar, start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you click on it, and there's the app that you gotta get to your device. But now, after you've got Downloader, it's actually not over yet, because you still have to set it up. And in order to set up Downloader, you gotta go to Settings on your Fire Stick, so click on that button with a gear icon, then you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, there is no need to worry because it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do that for 7 times. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case is going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps, and from here you have to locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. You open it and there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN, and in my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Croatia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go straight to Downloader app, open it up, and wait until it loads for you. Then here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure you have clicked on Home, and now here in the search bar, we'll have to enter the link. So the link is going to be sstream.cloud, so let's enter that together. It's sstream.cloud. Here you go, there is the link, you can see it on your screen right now, so make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the code is not gonna work. After that, you have to click on Go And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. Now, when the website has opened, all you have to do is click on the Android TV version right here. We gotta click on it, and now the download has started. So it shouldn't take too long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. In my case, it took us only a couple of seconds. Then you click install, and now the app will finish installing on the Firestick. The app, by the way, is called as Stream. And now, when it was installed, you should not click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't need them anymore on your device. So you click on delete and then delete once again. This way, you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space on it anyway. And now, if we go to the list of apps on your device, we open it, and there's the Stream app, which we just downloaded. Now, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it, and then press on move to front. This way, Stream app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Then you can safely open the app. And from here, as I said, you get access to thousands or perhaps even tens of thousands different movies and TV shows. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.